I just got out of the gym, but let's broach this topic here for birding, okay? Let's broach this topic. Broach? Anyways, what is your favorite nickname for a specific bird you like? And if you come in my fucking comment section and say butterbutt for a yellow-rumped warbler, we're gonna have fucking problems. Anyways, mine for an anhinga is a devil bird. And for those of you that are like, devil bird, I've never heard that. I've heard it called snake bird. And don't come in my fucking comment section and call that bird a fucking water turkey. Call you back.